Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel, and I am not a partner, but I'm a member of Influenster. Anybody can apply. You just have to put in all your different social medias on all of your platforms and they send you free products. They send you lots of surveys to fill out to see what kind of products that you would like, and you just review them. You have to post, for this things I'm about to talk to today, I had to post something to Instagram and I had to review on Sephora.com and Influenster.com, I think. And I like these products so much. I'm not paid at all. I did get this for free, but I liked them all so much. I spent my own money and I bought all three products. And let's just get into it. I will show you the sample sizes first and then the real sizes of what they come with. The first product is, this is the Clarins MultiActive Jour. It's a creamy antioxidant cream, day cream, and it says it supposedly targets fine lines. I've been using it for like 2-3 weeks. I'm almost out of this one, but the huge jar comes with, but the one that they sent me, it didn't have that much product in it, so I've been kind of shaking it and I might cut that open. But this one, it doesn't say how many ounces. The full size is 1.7 ounces right here. And it's this pink kind of, it sinks into your skin really well. It's very light feeling, so I really like this. The one big thing that I noticed for me was that my makeup was staying on like smooth. This is an excellent base for makeup, and I don't use a primer or anything. I was just using, I think I was using a Peter Thomas Roth cream before I'd like rotate between different creams, and my CosRX moisture lotion. But this is an excellent base for your makeup, and I've really been liking this. It has SPF 20 in it, but the amount that you would have to put on for it to have sunscreen, I wear sunscreen anyways. I got a new sunscreen, so I'll have a review on that coming soon. But this is the full size of the Jour cream. And the next, this is the sample size they sent me of the Clarins Total Eye Lift. And this was the one I was most impressed with. And I was excited because this tube will last me a while. It's 0.2 ounces. It says it's going to last 18 months. And it's a concentrate eye cream, lift replenishing eye concentrate. And the first time that I used this, I was at work. I have to wear my mask all day so I can really only see my eyes, and I keep a mirror on my desk and I just check on my makeup every now and then, and I was amazed at how moisturized my under eyes were. And I did take before pictures. My eyes weren't that bad to begin with, but for somebody who has a chronic dry eye problem, this is now my holy grail. It's the only thing I've been using day and night. And I bought the big bottle, and this is what it looks like. I'll put all the prices down below because I can't remember. I know that the double serum was expensive, the last thing I'm going to talk about, but the other two things weren't that bad price-wise. And it says it's a lifting. I don't have the older under eyes yet. I can just talk to my chronic dry under eyes. I've used the Kiehl's avocado eye cream. That did nothing for my under eye dryness. I've been liking before I got this, the BioSense algae eye cream. I've been liking that, but this is better than the algae cream for me. So I was like, holy crap. So I've been using this, and I'll just show a quick pump right there. It's thick right here, but then when you disperse it on your under eyes, when you rub it between your hands, it does look a little oily, but I don't want to waste this, so I'll just put it on. And that's all that I use. I try to do a half a pump if I can, since I don't need a lot, but my under eyes are so much better than they were. And actually I'll show you a quick swatch of the Clarins Pink Cream too. And you can see how thin but still moisturizing that is. I really like that stuff. I was amazed at how just flawless that my makeup looked still at the end of the day when I have to wear a mask all day at my desk. I have to put my makeup on at 4 o'clock every morning, so this makeup right now is from 4 o'clock except for my lipstick right now. So anyways, the last product that I'm going to talk about is the Clarins Double Serum. And for my samples, they gave me this. I have 1 sample left. They gave me basically 7 days worth. And you click this up, you fold this up, and you have to get the serum out of here. And right here, what does it say? It says 2 power-packed serums in 1, powered by 21 potent plant extracts. It has turmeric, which is known for exceptional anti-aging properties. And it says visible results after 7 days. Smoother skin, 88%, more radiant skin, 83%, and firmer skin, 74%. And it says, oh, that's just how to use it. And they tested 362 women in 7 days, and that's how they got their data. And let me see if I can read some of the ingredients in the oil, since I have this right here and the font isn't ridiculous. And it has some cocoa extract, oat extract, avocado oil, banana extract, kiwi, mango. There's a lot of extracts. Absorbic acid, but that's one of the last ingredients. Japonica fruit extract. There's a lot of fruit extracts in this. And here is what the bottle looks like. And I only use this at night before bed. I am kind of lazy and I take a shower the night before so I can sleep in the next morning because I'm an essential employee. So I've been going into the office every day for the past year. I didn't get to quarantine or anything. So, and there's 3 different sizes of these. I got the smallest size, which I think was like $90, but this is what the pump looks like, and I don't want to put that much out. And it's thin, but it's pretty, as you can see, it's pretty emollient, and it seeps right in. I did notice a huge difference after I started using this. So I don't use it every night, but I use it like 3 to 4 nights a week. So I've really been loving that. So if you do have a price point, if you're trying to keep it a lower price point, this one, it doesn't say, it's 1 fluid ounce is the smallest one you can get. And they had, like, I think they had a huge one, but it was like $175. And I was like, no. But I'm really loving these. If I had to rate all of these, I would say totally get the eye if that's your issue. If you have dry under eyes, if you're looking for a good makeup base to have your makeup stay on all day, even wearing a mask, go for this. And if you have really dry skin and you're not really reactive, I have dry acne prone skin. This supposedly is supposed to help with redness too, but my skin hasn't really been red that much lately, but I've been loving this. Again, I haven't been paid for this or anything. I've just got the samples that I showed you, the smaller ones, for free, and I bought the bigger ones with my own money. And I think that's it. If you have any questions about any of these products or how they work or anything, just post it down below and I'll be happy to answer your questions. Thanks, and remember to subscribe. Bye.